Making money as a Kenyan youth in 2025 is more possible than ever, thanks to technology and creativity. Here are some practical and proven ways. 1. Online freelancing. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Remotasks, TopTal. Skills needed: writing, graphic design, programming, transcription, data entry, etc. Tip: build a solid profile and start with competitive prices to gain reviews. 2. YouTube or TikTok content creation. Topics: comedy, skits, vlogs, tutorials, music, motivational talks. Monetization: ads, brand deals, affiliate marketing, paid promotions. Tip: be consistent and find a niche that resonates with Kenyans or international viewers. 3. Affiliate marketing. Platforms: Jumia KOL program, Amazon Associates, ClickBank. How? Promote products and earn commission for every sale made through your unique link. 4. Forex or crypto trading. Requirements: learn technical analysis, risk management. Tools: MetaTrader 4/5, Binance, Exness. Warning: start small, avoid scams, and use demo accounts to practice. 5. Start a small business. Ideas: Matumba business, mobile money agency, baking, selling accessories, phone repair. Tip: use social media, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, to market locally. 6. Tech skills: coding, web design, app development. Where to learn: YouTube, Coursera, Free Code Camp, ALX Africa. Income: build websites or apps for clients or launch your own software project. 7. Online tutoring and academic help. Subjects: English, math, coding, KCSE subjects. Sites: Preply, Tutor.com, Studypool. 8. Agribusiness. Ideas: poultry farming, greenhouse farming, rabbit keeping. Market: sell to local hotels, schools, or markets. Tip: start small, reinvest profits. 9. Dropshipping or e-commerce. How? Sell products online without holding inventory. Tools: Shopify, Jumia, Instagram shops. 10. Government or NGO opportunities. Programs: Ajira Digital, Kenya Youth Empowerment Project, KYEP, Kazim Tani. Tip: regularly check official sites and apply early.